Let's go. Everybody get in here. Everybody count on 3. Sizemore. Everybody count on 3. Sizemore Family Fun Minute. 1, 2, 3. Sizemore Family Fun Minute. Yay! Okay, in honor of Grandma, when she was little, with her and Uncle Dick, they used to have their game, Break the Wishbone. Yay! So on this Thanksgiving Day, we're going to relive memories of Grandma and Uncle Dick breaking the wishbone with my 4. Yay! All right, come on. Grab a wishbone. We're going to have 1 on one side, 2 on one side, and 2 on the other side.
You're with me on.
So let's see who we've got. We've got in this contest, we have TD and Anna on one side.
TD and Amber.
TD and Amber on one side. And we have Allison and Oni on the other side. Okay, here we go. On the count of 3, you're going to pull it. Let me get a close up because we want to make sure, see who wins. On your mark. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, pull!
Got it!
Let's see who got the biggest one. It is Allison and Anna who gets the biggest one. They have won Family Sizemore Fun Minute. Yay! Okay, Amber, get over here. Hurry.
Oh, yay. Smell my hands.
Okay, on the count of 3, we're going to sing Happy Thanksgiving.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, almost Merry Christmas. But Happy Thanksgiving to you know who. Okay, here we go. On the count of 3. A 1, a 2, and a 3. Here we go. Happy Thanksgiving.
That's it.
Happy Thanksgiving.
It's not a birthday song.
Happy Thanksgiving, dear Uncle Michael, Aunt Michelle, Grandma. Is there anybody else?
The kitty cats.
Alexis. And the kitty cats. Okay, so everybody wave at the camera and say Happy Thanksgiving 2011. Wave. Today. Okay. Say we love you. And we will see you in about a month.
We will see you.
Okay, you know how we got to sound off. Everybody on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Gobble, 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 gobble.